Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some super cute squishies. And we're making them with the help of our friends at Fairfield World, who were nice enough to send us some squishy foam. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some squishies. Make sure to check out fairfieldworld.com. I'll leave a link in the description. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2. Stay squishy, and I will see you next week. Bye.